There you go. Welcome everyone to vehiclerevolution.com. There you go. I did say I'd do a video for you chaps, the Mclaren owners. So here we've got the P1. I've also done the underside, a video of that to show you the quality level. This is dry carbon fibre. This is next level stuff. As you can see, it's got the V-weave that goes all the way through. Absolutely astonishing bit of kit this. All the way there, you can see it's absolutely flawless. And even right down to where the fold is. Quite an intricate part on that one. Got these for sale. We're based in London, UK, so if you want to come down, by all means come down and have a look at it. This is for the 520, 570. I think it also goes on a 600. Like I said, this is dry carbon. Where the processing is completely on a higher scale, and it's OEM to Mclaren factory themselves. See, quality level is extremely light. Thanks for watching. I'll upload this onto YouTube shortly anyway, so you can always have a look at it. You can see that it's not too deep either, so it doesn't affect the luggage compartment. Thanks for looking. Welcome to the revolution. And have a look, vehiclerevolution.com.